Hostess packages its Ding Dong snack cakes in 12 packs. How many 12 packs can be filled with 22,231 cakes, and how many cakes will be left over? To solve this problem, we will use our 5-step problem-solving process. And for the first step, familiarize, we read the problem carefully, and then we assign a value to the variable. And we will let n represent the number of 12 packs that can be filled. We'll move to our second step, which is to translate the problem to mathematical language. We'll first rewrite the sentence using English so we can translate directly. We have the number of cakes, which we are given. And then if we divide that number of cakes divided by the number in each package, which we are also given, which was 12, that is the number of 12 packs, which we want to find, and we called that n. So to translate the number of cakes, 22,231 divided by is the division symbol. The number in each package is 12. Is translates to equals, and the number of 12 packs is n. So we have an equation that we can solve. That's step 3 of the process. To solve this equation, we need to carry out the division. We divide 22,231 by 12. And we think, does 12 go into 2? No. Does 12 go into 22? Yes, one time. 1 times 12 is 12, and we subtract and we get 10, and then we bring down the next digit, which is 2. 12 goes into 102 8 times. 8 times 12 is 96. We subtract that from 102, and we get 6, and we bring down the next digit, which is 3. 12 goes into 63 5 times. 5 times 12 is 60. We subtract, and we have 3, and we bring down the last digit, which is 1. 12 goes into 31 2 times. 2 times 12 is 24. We subtract, and we are left with 7. 7 is less than 12, so we are finished, and 7 would be the remainder. So we would have n being 1,852, remainder 7. Now in the fourth step, which is check, we need to think what that number actually means. Well, that would mean that we would have 1,852 packages that we could make and 7 left over. Does that check? Well, in the packages, how many cakes would there be? In the packages, we would have 12 times 1,852, which if you do the multiplication is 22,224. And if we add the number left over, which would be 7, we should have the total. 22,231 was the total number of cakes, and that does check with the total that we were given in the problem. So we can feel confident that our answer is correct, and we can move to the fifth step, which is to state the answer. And we state that 1,852 12 packs can be filled, and there will be 7 cakes left over.